Did you know that the right paper can make crappy oil pastels look really good? Yeah. Hi, I'm Syndia. If you like oil pastels, subscribe, hit the bell, because there'll be more. Lots more. Today I'm reviewing Bristol Paper by Strathmore. I'm testing it with oil pastels. So it's true that in theory you can use any surface to draw with oil pastels: paper, canvas, cardboard, wood. But to be honest, some work a lot better than others. The pros? Bristol paper is sturdy and thick. It can handle all the rubbing of oil pastels. It's affordable. It's multi-purpose. It's acid-free. And it's overall very good quality. It sounds amazing, but when it comes to using it with oil pastels, it's not quite as straightforward as that. So with oil pastels, when a paper is too smooth or too slick, things don't work out very well, especially when blending and layering. Think of it more like if you were to try and draw on wax paper. So what you want is a porous or textured surface to grab on the pigment, allowing you to layer the material and make it easier for blending. This Bristol paper by Strathmore comes in two finishes. There's the smooth finish and the vellum finish. The vellum is supposed to be more textured and porous, so the better option of the two for oil pastels. I don't have the smooth finish as an example to show you and compare with the vellum, but the vellum is very smooth. It's not very textured. Unfortunately, Bristol paper used with cheap, affordable, student-grade oil pastel has a tendency to make them look even patchier than they are, not allow for a lot of layering, and make it kind of difficult to blend, because as you try blending, especially with a blending stump, you end up removing a lot of material because the finish itself is a little bit too smooth. I've tested the paper a few times in different art projects, and as I was trying to layer and blend, things looked pretty patchy. And when I tried layering more material on top, it had a tendency to remove the previous layers I had put down. Not an ideal situation. If you compare Bristol paper to another more porous paper, you can see how drastically the same pastel could look very well with the right paper. On the Bristol side, things look a lot more sheer, less pigmented, and as I was saying, difficult to blend. On the more porous paper side, it literally makes a bad pastel look a lot more vivid and pigmented, allowing a lot more layering and making it easier to blend. So Bristol paper is good quality paper, but it's not the best suited for oil pastel in my opinion. If you want to use Bristol paper with oil pastels, I suggest that you use the artist grade quality, the more creamy, buttery ones. They will work for you a lot better than the cheap pastels on that type of paper. Or if you use oil pastels in a certain way that you don't necessarily need a lot of blending or a lot of layering, in that case, Bristol paper would do the job for sure. I think my favorite paper for oil pastels is Somerset. It's very good. It feels like fabric. The only thing I've noticed with it is that it doesn't take harsh rubbing as well, so I have to experiment a little bit more. If you have great paper suggestions for oil pastels, please write them below because I'm very curious. I'm on the hunt. As soon as I find my ultimate paper, I'll put it in a card for sure. But in the end, it's not always about the material you use. It's about inspiration and actually doing it. So if you want more inspiration, you can watch this next.